Hello and welcome to the World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a basket push behind. Now, experience with a basket would be useful. Some experience with something like a first move push behind would be helpful too, and the exit, it would be quite useful if you've done something like a Cross Handed Catapult. Links to those in the description below in case you've not met those before. For those of you who are ready, it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's break it down. It's 2 hands to start, wrap into the basket, we twist the lady out, so standard basket so far. As you come round the corner, we flatten the left coming up and make sure we've still got good contact with the right, so we're now able to push with the left hand and pull with the right hand, which is exactly what we're going to do. Rolling the lady away from us and behind, we're going to go into a lean, and this is where you get the cross-handed catapult bit. You've got the right hand low, offer the left high so the lady takes over the top. You could do a barrier exit or any other cross-handed catapult variation. We're just going to do the unsweep, so over the top and back to the front. That's effectively a travelling return on the left hand side. Let's do that again from the other side, and we'll think numbers. So we go semicircle back, 2 hands on 1, wrap into the basket 2, twist out 3, flat round the corner and prep 4, rolling away 5, offering 6, unsweep 7, and face finishing on 8. So we've got it. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a basket push behind. We go a back, wrap, back, round the corner, rolling away, offer the hand, unsweep and back. And that's it. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you find it to be a bit of fun out on the dance floor. If you are enjoying or finding what we're doing valuable, please do put a like on the videos, subscribe to the channel, and put on the notification bell. You'll know every time a new video comes out. Everyone who does that, we really do appreciate it because it does help promote the channel. Last few seconds of the video, windows come up. One of those is a music recommendation of something nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.